All right, so I just want to follow up here with the video. I thought those pins weren't stick. I thought they were sticking. Come to find out, the technical, the bottom pins, the spring cup ones. There's two different lengths, and it looks like there's three short ones and four long ones, for a total of seven because there's seven pins in a tubular lock. Anyways, so this is a number one, this is a number one, and this is a number three. So those are going to get the short ones. Now I'm going to put the longer ones in a 4, a 6, a 7, and a 4. So yeah, the long ones are going to go in the shorter, and vice versa. Yeah, I think that's going to correct it. So actually, you know what? We'll just let this record on. See if I can fix my error that I saw earlier. And you know what? We're just going to load the springs first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 springs. All right, here we go. So now we're going to load number 1. Bing. Get that guy down there. You know what? We're going to do this. We're going to load them both. Getting faster at this. I've got to do it a couple times here. Come on, buddy. Nope. Want me to rotate you there? There you go. Ta-da. This should make it a lot leveler, if that makes any sense. So this is one with a short top cap. And it does, it brings it up about the same height as the 4. And that's a number 1 technically. Oops, I'm sorry, my hand is in the way. So yeah, that's a 1 and that's a 4. So it brings it up to about the same height, which is what I was after. So there's that. Come on, buddy. No, don't launch it. Okay, there. So you just wiggle the silver part. It allows that to go down and the spring to go inside of the bottom pin. Or, yeah, the bottom pin, yes. Come on. Here we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Yes. There we go. But yeah, that's a number. Is it 4, 6? Yeah, that's a 7. It's just going to be long. There's nothing I think you can do about that. Now, what'd I do with it? Oh, it's over here off camera. And yes, I 3D printed plugs because I thought I was going to need plugs. And I don't know, it kind of helps to push this apart, but in the end it really does not help to keep things aligned or anything like that. So, you know, do you need a plug? No. Was it handy? Yes. Right, let's put this guy back up on there. Grab my handy little pliers here. We're going to go click number 3, I think. That worked last time. Make sure that doesn't pop. Get you started. Clamp you down. There we go, that's good enough for testing right now. And there we go. Ta-da! Another working key. All right. So there we go. Yeah, this is just a fix of my last video. Sorry, guys. Because I found my note. I went back over my notes when I took it apart. That the silver top hollow pins that I calculated 3 sizes, but I just went through and I only found 2. So I found 174s and 193s. I don't know. Maybe I messed up there or something. But no, I was going through making notes of everything, exactly the size of the springs in case I needed to order some more or custom order them. But now the crazy thing is that I have noticed that the pin sizes are different than what come in a standard lab kit, and I think it's because the design is different. So like a number 1 is a 205, and over here it's a 202, which that doesn't matter. That's not that much of a difference. But let me see, number 3 is a 235. Oh, hey, that is really close. Number 4, I measured a 251. This says 248. Yeah, this says for a 6, I measured 282. And I'm sorry, up here it's a 280. And then for number 7, I measured a 298, and it's actually up here at 296. So it's pretty close, and who knows, that could just be slight tolerances or machine variations or whatnot. So, all right, guys, that's it. We'll put back together this Harley cylinder. I'm gonna see if I can find the cylinder housing, and I will show you the rest of that. All right, later.